together, palakpakan po natin. Kulang lang tayo sa opportunity. And eto na yung pinakahihintay natin. Nandito na sila. Digital jobs is way more than what we imagine. I don't explain of the advantages and the growth opportunity that we are missing because we are blinded and we are not informed. And now, we are being empowered because we will now be informed and we will be capacitated with many life agencies.
We do not just give academic scholarship, but we find ways to provide employment opportunities to them as well. Together, we are building a brighter future for Tubiganos, one job at a time. Welcome once again to the only digital city region, and may we have a productive and inspiring job day. God bless. Buhay po tayo.
We encourage everyone to make this activity productive and worthwhile and to take full advantage of the resources and networking opportunities available today. Huwag po natin sayangin ang araw na po. We have to engage. You can be assured that we, PTI, together with our dynamic partners from the academic and business sector, and our colleagues in government, will always work together to support this endeavor. Let us all work together and effectively collaborate to push for the development of local talents and eventually reach the healthcare and the IT, BPM industries maximum potential. Pinagmayabang natin ang Tuguegarao City dahil alam natin meron tayong ipagmamayabang dito. Hindi lamang Tuguegarao City ang ating pinagmamayabang. Pinagmamayabang natin ang ating region because we are full of talents, and that's why they are here to see and confirm to themselves what we are granting. Huwag po natin palampasin ang oportunidad na to. Let's embrace it. Let's equip ourselves. Let's enjoy this moment. And let's see that we will not make this opportunity pass, but rather be a marketing to others to inform them the good news that will be hearing today as they will be explaining about this great opportunity. Mabuhay together